Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs, loaded with features, and a fair price. Features also include keyless entry, heated mirrors, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2019 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, remote trunk release, steel wheels, FWD, wheel covers, headlights auto off. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.